The Burning Life of Walter Mitty, A Story of an Ice Cube by Rahul Bhandari. Hello, ladies and gentle cubes. Before we start, I need to tell you what this story is about. This is the story of an ice cube who has an amazing, phase-changing adventure. I hope you enjoy. This is The Burning Life of Walter Mitty by Rahul Bhandari. Have a good tennis class, Walter's mom shouted as Walter walked down the hot road. Bye, he shouted, and he was off. This is where the journey begins for Walter. As Walter was walking down, he notices sweat on his forehead and everywhere. He's never had sweat before, and he starts to run down back home. But it's too late. He's already melting. Walter has now melted into a few water droplets on the sidewalk. It's been 10 minutes later, and Walter is very, very hot. He starts to melt even more. This phase change is called evaporation. Oh no! What's this? Walter is starting to float. In order for a liquid to turn into a gas, energy must be given. A gas has even more intermolecular distance because in a gas there are less particles than a solid or a liquid. The temperature at which a liquid changes into a gas is called its boiling point. So I guess you can understand how hot Walter is by now. Walter was now a teeny tiny cloud in the air. Walter loved it up there. He was breezing through the sky, and he was happy to get out of his house for once and witness what it was really like. Walter traveled all around the world and witnessed Europe, Asia, and South America. Now Walter wanted to go high, very high, so he did, but then something very bad happened. He went too high into space, and he started to condensate. When a gas condensates, it loses intermolecular distance, and it is having energy being taken away. Walter Mitty hit the ground with a hard spadunk. He looked around and he realized he recognizes this place. There was the park, there was his school, and there was his home. He quickly ran to his home and barged inside. Immediately he got the cool feeling. He rushed in, and immediately he solidified because his house was very cold. Then he saw his mother in tears. "Walter, where have you been?" his mother screamed. When a liquid changes back into a solid, the phase change is called solidification. When a liquid solidifies, the coolness takes away energy, also taking away intermolecular distance. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for listening. I told you it was a phase-changing adventure, wasn't it, for Walter? Say bye, Walter.